Possibly.
I think we might be live.
Okay.
Let's see. God, this is so complicated.
Well, Twitch is way easy. You just press the button and it takes what your obs is outputted.
It says we're live. Oh, we're in 1080p.
Nice.
So you have to start it at 1080p for it to.
I guess
can't
from
change
obs. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's dumb.
Stupid.
Okay. How do I watch this new stream?
Yeah. Let me get the link for this one then.
Shove it on your Blue Sky.
Some echo. We're live. Different stream link.
Hello. We're in.
We're in. We're rolling.
Show it to your Blue Sky fans.
Hide.
Oh, you have to make a new post.
What?
You gotta make a new post.
I quoted.
Okay, fine. Good.
Is that all right? Is that okay? Social media manager.
Yeah. Yep. Acceptable.
All right. What were we saying before?
Let me retweet to my followers.
Yeah. Tell your fans.
Right. Dan won't be happy.
Okay. We have merged conflicts. That's a good place to start, isn't it?
Oh no.
Let's fix them. Yes, I remember I did this last night.
Okay. Oh, you created the merge conflict.
Yes.
And then you just left it.
Yeah.
What have you changed?
Turbo.
The turbo.
I added this thing, so I just get that. Do that. I don't remember adding turbo. I think I added turbo on this branch. That's what it was.
How is that a merge conflict?
I don't know.
You just added a new line.
Easy peasy.
All right. Cool. What are we doing?
Okay.
Do you want to do the refreshing or the... What else needs doing? The error page?
Yeah, let's do a refresh. That might be fun. Refresh
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Can you see the 1Password UI?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Oh shit.
On-screen problems.
Oh, that's fine.
If you leak my keys, I will sue you.
Oh yeah,
right.
no, we can't. We shouldn't mention that, Damien, that we're doing that because it's probably against the terms of service. I'm gonna mention it anyway. If anybody has Terso, you could share the credentials without sharing the password by using passkeys.
Top tip.
Top tip. So I'm Damien Sedgwick. Hello. Oh, what is this?
Believe you're leaking his stuff.
I know what this is. This is the script that I set up last night. 'Cause the 1Password CLI thing doesn't work very well in WSL.
Why didn't you install 1Password in WSL?
Because you can't run the actual app in WSL.
Why?
Because it's like a desktop app.
GUI.
It's GUI.
Let's see. All right.
Okay. Should we see if it still works after I did that?
It must do. Come on.
That's got to be the merge conflict though, right?
Oh, didn't we have
No.
Weren't we getting errors in our drain pipe? I can't remember what that was.
We were getting errors. We fixed that. That was because that was a database thing. That was Damien's fault.
Oh, I remember we spent like 3 hours
Yeah, fixing
dropping a
SQLite stuff.
database. Right.
Okay. Let's try now. Oh dear.
Love to see it.
Oh no, I don't want to be debugging secret keys on the stream.
What's wrong with this one?
Process.n for private JWK.
With an exclamation mark? Is that right?
Well, we expect it to be there.
Yeah, but no, it's yellow. Is that just bad passing?
I'm just gonna go back to do that, and I'm gonna log the secret, see what we got. God, this stream is a write-off. Should we just call it? Should we just call it a day? Log out. See you later, folks. That's right there. It's there. JSON.
Is that JSON? There's no colon.
There is no quotes. What?
No quotes, no colon. One password in shambles.
One password in shambles.
Not a sponsor.
Did I say? Did I save it?
It's got quotes.
It's got quotes and all sorts.
Why has it not got quotes here?
Maybe I just need to go back to the environment variable file and just make sure not to.
I think so.
Show it.
Make sure you remove console.log.
That's only. This is a different one to what we have in prod, so it'll be alright anyway.
Okay.
Alright.
Just don't tell them about the Cloudflare tunnel.
Oh yeah, that's going to be leaked on the stream, isn't it? Somebody's going to get into my local network via the Cloudflare tunnel. Be good fun.
I'd love to see it.
Drain pipe consumer secret.
Oh my god.
Private JWK. Sorry, for everybody on the stream, I'm currently copying environment variables into an env file.
You need cloak, which doesn't work on .locals.
Okay, private. Public.
Yeah, private and public is the same.
They should be mostly the same, but the public doesn't have a D.
Oh, right, yeah.
Where's the D?
Can't find the D. There's the D.
Alright, I think we're good. Let's just
close that file.
Oh.
Why can't it pass it? You still have your drain pipe consumer secret as OP.
Oh, is it? Is it my have any single quotes?
That's stupid if so. What if you just didn't have quotes? We're in.
No, we're
not in.
in.
Oh, this is a thrilling stream. Just get rid of the quotes.
What is this? This is the private JWK.
Get rid of quotes.
Oh, I know what it is. I need to restart the dev server.
Oh, it's not ingested the right secrets.
So I still got the one password secret set, which are overriding it.
Hi Nick, we're just doing some secret management. And Tom only has one screen.
I do have 2 screens, but I don't have a cable
Oh,
for the second screen.
rookie mistake.
All right, I think it's working. It's just like failing, but in a way that
Right.
is not this problem.
Okay, stop console logging it, please.
Yes, sir. Stop console logging. Where am I doing that?
Are you no longer streaming?
What?
Have you
What do you
changed
mean?
links again on the stream?
What do
No.
you mean? We're live.
Not on my screen, you're not.
Have
More
you gone to the
importantly, you're
latest
live.
URL?
It'll be
Oh, it's
delayed,
back.
but Damien.
Well, Jake's here too.
Hello.
Oh, Damien's muted the stream and he's listening to us in Discord, and that's why he can't tell what we're saying. Why don't you just mute us in Discord and watch the stream?
It's not. No, there is no picture. Will I can tell the difference between picture and audio,
There's the secret key, by the way.
but
You can
because
have
then
it
I'm
for free.
miles behind.
You got to
It
watch
is
it on
miles
Discord.
behind. You gotta have some low latency stream. That's the trick. Okay, fine. What are we doing? Refresh.
I think we're good. I think I just want to see if it works.
Okay. Are we in?
I think so. I think it wasn't working because I was on localhost. I
Oh,
didn't have
no.
tunnel. Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Right, so we're
Alright.
saving the session to the database, and then say we want to perform another action, and the token is expired. Do we save expiry? I think we added that, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think that was why we had to drop the database and recreate it.
So look.
SQLite problems. Yep. Stream your access token. Casual.
It's fun. There's enough entropy on the right hand side. I'll just make it. There you go.
A risk taker.
Yeah, so we've got
Yeah.
expires at. It's fine. Looks good. So what do we want to do? We want to, on a request, refresh the access token and
So
set
this
it
is
in the
when they're
database
just gonna
and-
say like post something new, and then we have to check. Oh, that's gonna be a pain.
why?
We post something, we wait for. Where are we doing the middleware?
Yeah. Export from. Where is
Cool.
it? Lib auth.
So what is your plan?
My plan is get cookie, get session, refresh session, set session database.
You just said so many words and none of them made sense in a sentence.
Okay, right. Get cookie,
Yeah.
get session from database with the cookie,
Yeah.
refresh token if needed,
Yeah.
and then set new tokens in DB,
Yeah.
and then we're done.
Okay. What's in the cookie?
Session ID.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So request dot. We can do cookies. Get that. If we don't have a session, we can just. Yeah, we're done. Otherwise. Do we verify it anywhere? Already?
Verify the what?
The cookie. Oh, we can just call get session.
Past you are so smart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why
that's
did we
good.
have this?
Well, you need it for like fetching and
I
fetch
see.
authenticated ATProto thing.
I see. I see.
So, but actually, we should. This throw is.
If no session throw.
Oh no, that's fetching. Does get session throw?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it just returns
fine.
null, so we're good.
Token cookie. Okay.
So do session. So we do have a session, do that, and then refresh.
What does next response.next do?
Just essentially says, do the next app stuff.
I just like continue.
Continue, yeah, continue like middle
Okay.
stuff. And you can pass stuff in here. Yeah, you can like override the headers and status and stuff.
Cool.
So how do we refresh?
Why are we gonna pass stuff into the bottom one?
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, like the new. No, we're not going to. But we still need to return a response at the end. So.
Okay.
We will need that. So session dot user dot. Okay.
We aren't doing it anymore, right?
What?
The session, that's just the cookie, isn't it? And we're just having the ID in it now, and not the.
Yeah,
There's no user in it anymore.
Yeah, I don't know why it's called user. No, it's called session.
Oh no.
So we can do if session. Yeah. Probably want to add a clock skew thing, little buffer. So maybe minus.
Expires at is less than. We did this for the last auth, right? What did we do for that? I think it was just 100. Is it in milliseconds?
Yeah.
I would do 500 maybe.
Do we want a minus? Yes.
If
Minus.
expires at is less than new type.
Which way does minus? That puts us back in
We
time.
get that time now. We
Yeah.
go 500
Minus.
seconds earlier, and if it expires at is less than 500 seconds earlier, refresh, and that gives us 500 millisecond leeway.
Yeah. Refresh. How?
You contact the. What's the endpoint?
Let's have a look at the spec.
Classic auth. It's pretty much just normal OAuth at this point, right?
Yeah. Oh, does that mean we have to consult the authorization server metadata, perhaps?
I don't know what that means, but yes, probably.
Where is that? I've got a function for that. Up here.
What's in the metadata?
Don't really want to be hitting the network here, though, do we?
That's inevitable.
Oh, I mean, we don't really want to be doing the the discovery request to get the refresh token endpoint. We should probably save it. Or I guess it could have changed since the last time we.
Oh, flow. Goddamn hate OAuth so much.
Refresh endpoint on the. Was it token endpoint? Is that what we want to hit?
Yeah, I'm just reading some docs.
Let's have a look at what the demo does.
Why does no one talk about refreshing? Okay.
Refresh
After an
token.
access token expires, using it will give an invalid token error. To request authorization
There's probably just
server
a
with the refresh
function.
token. I should read
Yeah,
the Blue Sky one.
I think we can do. Is it a token grant? Yes.
Yeah. Where are the docs? Blue Sky docs advanced. Here we go. This is not the same thing.
I think this is what we want. I need to do the auth server discovery, which is a bit annoying. We should try and cache that. I don't think we cache it at the moment. Yeah, let's put to do. But we want this essentially.
Blah, 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 blah.
Session dot user dot is.
Haven't listened to a word you've said. Have you figured it out?
Yeah, I think so. I think we have to do a authorization server discovery, which is I just
What
copied and
is
pasted
that?
this. That's the thing where we take the issuer and get the metadata for it and all that jazz.
Oh.
And then this will return us an auth server, which we can then pass into this function here, refresh token grant request.
Yep.
And I was just also saying that we should cache this. And I put us doing that in the code for that. So. What do we want here? Auth server. Oh, Copilot just knows. How does it know?
Copilot's pretty smart.
Is Nick on the call? On the stream?
He is, I think.
That's Nick. We can thank Nick for that then. Process, refresh, token response.
His will be in Rust though, right?
Oh, Nick works at GitHub.
Different Nick.
Nope, same Nick.
Same Nick?
I was saying we can thank Nick for the amazing Copilot
For
response.
Copilot. Okay. Thought you meant for his implementation of OAuth. I see.
Why is this async? That's weird.
What? What's weird?
It's weird that the processing is async. But I guess it has to decode some tokens, which is async. Auth server, client, response. Now we need to do Depop stuff, do we? Perhaps? Or does it automatically do that?
What did you have to do when you requested the access token? Because it's the same thing, but you just send a refresh one.
Let us see.
Tokens, both access and refresh, will need to be periodically refreshed by subsequent requests to the authorization server token endpoint.
Yes, which is what we're doing.
Yeah.
I just noticed.
Like how that's one throwaway line at the bottom of that whole thing.
I just noticed that we don't use the companion like process response function. I wonder if there is one. Process. Can we use that? I'll put it to do in.
Do we verify that the sub did matches the account expected?
The sub, what, in the token?
Yeah.
I don't think we
It's
do.
critical. It's critical. They bolded the critical for the client to verify that the sub did matches the account expected. If the entire auth started with an account identifier, handle or did, this value is compared against the original did.
Okay.
If the auth started with a PDS or entryway URL, which we're not doing, I don't think, your client should now resolve the did document and verify that the declared PDS is consistent with the authorization server.
So we need to compare the sub with the original did, and then also compare that with the ID in the did doc. Is that what you're saying to me?
So you get back the sub from the authorization server, which is a did, and then you just compare that against the account identifier that we used to sign in.
And then what is it saying about the did? Do we have to check the did doc again?
That's if we're using PDS/entryway URLs to start the auth flow, which we're not doing, I don't think, are we? Are we just doing did? Handle, I mean, sorry.
Well, we start the auth flow with the entryway URL. Blue Sky Social.
Okay. Okay. The client should now resolve the did document and verify that the declared PDS is consistent with the authorization server.
Okay, that makes sense.
I guess
because they can be two different things, the PDS and the auth server.
Yep.
All right, I guess we need to do that here as well. And refreshing, yeah.
Yeah. It's the same for
Function. Process ATProto refresh token response.
Process response. Isn't this just going to be the same as processing the access token?
Yeah, but we don't currently do the check that you're saying, so I'm just going to put it in the function so we can.
Okay.
Oh, but it's going to be a different. It's going to be a different function.
What do you mean?
That's annoying. I'm just going to copy and paste it.
What do you mean?
I was going to extract the check for checking the
access
did,
token.
checking the did and the sub
yeah.
and the did doc. I was going to extract that into a function which does this process call and then does the extra checks on top that we just talked about.
Okay.
But the problem is that processing the refresh token response is different from processing this response.
Is it though?
Well, they're two different functions in the library, so.
That's annoying. I thought they're the same token endpoint and you get back the same response with a new access token and new refresh token.
Yeah, I guess technically they could be different, maybe? I don't know. Like different results, like formats from the response.
That would be annoying.
Okay. So what is this going to... Okay, this is going to return an auth error. That's nice. Okay, so if error in result, what do we want to do in the middleware? Log you out? Show the error?
This is a refresh failure, right? So your session is no longer valid and you should be logged out.
And delete it from the database and all that stuff. Okay, come back to that. Throw an error.
I don't know what the standard error response for that would be. Toast.
Yeah. I don't think we have a toast yet, do we? Do we have a toast component?
Does Shad UI have toast?
Yeah. I think it has two toasts.
Oh, there we do. Toast.tsx.
That's brilliant. It's perfect. It was meant to be. Okay. Don't we have to do Depop stuff?
Depop stuff.
No Depop on refreshing?
Do you do that on requesting?
Yeah.
Then it's the same thing, just... I'm pretty sure the flows are identical, you just request a different... Well, you're saying a different endpoint, I would have assumed it was the same endpoint, but...
Is this a different thing? Refresh token grant. I probably is. This is a different flow, maybe.
What was a refresh token grant request? The as.token endpoint. I think that's right. Seems right.
But it doesn't have any details about the Depop thing to pass Depop here. And nonce and
Are we
all that
saving
stuff.
the Depop?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we just get it from the database.
But I mean, I think this might be the wrong function to use, unless. Wait.
Let's
There's
consult
options. There's okay. We need to pass options. Depop.
Oh, no.
Here we go. Here we go. We're in. We're in the money. Yeah. Do that. Not assignable to crypto key. What? Is this not what we do?
What?
Literally in the other place in the file. Private Depop key. Okay, we have a function for that.
Yeah. Can't believe how convoluted OAuth 2 is just to log someone in and out.
You say that every time.
I know, it doesn't change. OAuth 2 is a mistake. That's what happens when you're on the cutting edge of the atmosphere.
Oh, this is an object. Destructure it. Okay. How are we going to test this?
What, refreshing?
Yeah.
We just set the
make it-
expiry date to like now or something.
Oh, right, yeah. Make it refresh earlier. There you go. Don't we have a session?
It's definitely not null.
We don't have a session ID.
Excuse me.
Oh, there we do. This is called session ID for some reason.
I don't like that we have to do session.user.session ID when it's clearly just session.session.session ID.
Yeah. Yeah, we can change that later. Result is possibly null or undefined. Really?
I guess where are we getting result from?
That's here.
Process response.
Can
That's not right.
token OAuth error be undefined? No. Oh, it's not .data. That's probably the issue then.
That'll be it.
Expires in is potentially undefined, in which case we will default it to when does 30 seconds?
Why would it be undefined?
Don't know, that's what the library's telling me.
The library also tried to make you use get, so don't trust it that much. Yeah, I guess like the expiry might not always be present in a token, but we know it is in this token.
Yes. Should I throw an error? If it's not there, then.
Yeah, I think so. Does equals null check for undefined?
Yeah, when you do double equals in JavaScript.
Not
It checks
classic
for-
JavaScript.
Checks for null and undefined. That looks fine to me.
I'll never accept this as a
Depop nonce.
never accept TypeScript.
Shouldn't have to update those or anything else. Seems good. Oh, we want to do a check. Check sub against did and did doc.id. All right. Okay.
It's a good start.
DNS has been deleted. Lovely.
You haven't done Cloudflare, have you?
Yeah, I think I've had this before in Next.js. Sometimes it just forgets that node modules exist when they should exist. Why is it doing it?
Oh.
Oh, we can't do that in the Edge runtime. That is
What
a big,
does that mean?
big issue. So middleware runs on the Edge runtime, which is different to the Node.js runtime on Vercel. So it runs on Cloudflare workers, and they do not have access to the DNS module.
Of course.
But this is very annoying. I'm going to need that to resolve the did. No, I'm not going to need it to resolve the did doc. This is good because I don't need to resolve a handle. So I can split this out into a different file. Because the problem is right now, middleware is importing from this auth module, which is eventually importing the handle resolution stuff. So I just need to move it from this file, and because we'll never need that DNS stuff, it's fine. So I'll just do this, and start importing everything. I have to move that into an auth util func file. It's very annoying that I had everything in one file and now things are being split up all of a sudden.
Yup.
Oops.
Oh boy. Apparently there's an experimental runtime chooser. What version of Next.js are we on?
15. We're bleeding edge.
Apparently since 13 there was a runtime switcher.
For the middleware,
Terminate global and segment levels, which runtime should be used?
oh yeah, that's Next.js is always locked to the edge runtime on the middleware. Even if you're running it locally, which is quite annoying. Okay. We're getting there.
God, this is so dumb.
What else needs to move out? This.
See you, Nick.
Bye, Nick. He's had enough. He's seen enough.
If only I could see timestamps in this stupid chat. Oh, there is an option. I take it back. Sorry, YouTube.
We'll move these into here as well, shall we? It's like now the biggest refactor ever. I think everything might need to move out. Because it's just the... What are we going to be left with? This is the function that we can't import. And we literally call that once in the sign-in. Maybe it'd just be easier to move that out. We'll keep it in there. We'll continue. Persevere.
So how are we getting around this edge thing?
We're splitting up the modules, so when we import the function that we need, which is when we do all the middleware stuff, we don't end up importing that get handle from this function, which eventually imports the DNS module from Node.js, which isn't available.
Okay. So how does that putting it in a different file matter?
Because when Next.js compiles the middleware, it will only compile the dependencies of the middleware. So we need to make sure that
Node.
Well, we need to make sure that in the dependency tree, starting at the middleware modules, so all the imports downwards, we need to make sure that we never import a module that doesn't exist. For example, node/DNS.
Okay. But then isn't the other file relying on something that uses that?
Yeah, but this one's fine because this one's only imported in the app, which is Node.js.
Okay.
It's a bit annoying, but...
Yep.
It is what it is.
I hate it.
Okay, that's fine now. Save that. Import that. Import that. Get rid of all the ones we don't need. Okay. Still erroring. God. Let's restart.
It restarted.
No. Why?
It was all for nothing.
Oh, we're still importing these ones. These ones need to move into libauthUtil. I'm just gonna move sign in and out because now we're moving literally everything into authUtil.
Oh boy.
How can I undo Control Z everything? Oh yeah, we want that.
Oh boy.
We want that. We don't want that. Yeah, move the middleware out. Delete authUtil. Sign in. Auth-sign-in.
put this out to match the OAuth for Web API pattern,
Yeah.
which is what?
The
Oh,
pattern that they have,
process-protected.
yeah, where they do like request something and then process something. Right now,
Okay.
this does like a fetch and because I think I want to upstream something like this. Not sure yet. We'll see. Import that. Import that. Oh my word. Gonna have to export so many things. Oh, that's already exported. Good.
Please just press the add all missing button.
I don't trust it because sometimes it imports the wrong thing. Like sometimes something will be
It has
called the
not
same
steered
name.
you wrong.
Yeah, but you think that, and then one day it will.
It's quicker just to do it and then check the top.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't even have the DB. Don't have schemas.
That one doesn't even work.
Why doesn't it have schema?
It doesn't know how to auto import the star. Okay. Okay, we're good now. We're good. This is all jank now. I need to get rid of that. Get rid of that. Whoa.
Okay, there's no excuse from pressing clear up unused usings.
Okay, yeah, that's fair. Oh, do I have something like that? Is that a thing that I have?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't.
Delete all unused imports.
Oh my
There
god,
you go.
that's amazing.
Oh my god, he's learning.
I'll be installing Vim soon.
His life has changed.
Really is.
OAuth discovery request. Oh.
Basically using Vim at this point. I don't know why you're not using it.
You do not. If what I should get is a hand cam on my mouse because I'm using the mouse a whole lot. Right
Yeah,
now.
way too much. The most inefficient parts is your mouse movement.
I think it's pretty good. I'm a true gamer, so it's just like shooting,
Don't know.
fragging. Whoa, what's going on here?
What do you mean?
It's generated functions. I don't want to do that. Import depop JWKs. I need to export that.
I was thinking of switching back to VS Code.
Oh, after all of those
What was that?
hours.
What was that? With Vim motions.
I just heard Jake lean into his mic.
My, how the turntables.
I feel like out of spite, I must remain near Vim.
Oh no. Oh no.
What is going on?
Load env config.
Import star schema from schema. Is it star?
Wait, what
That's
is
just
that?
all right. Process CWD load env
Where is that?
config.
That's in the drizzle config.
We're about 10 seconds away from him revealing environment variables.
Oh, who's this guy?
Damien, what does that mean? Next env? What's process.cwd?
Current
does
working
that mean?
directory? I don't think you need to do that. Oh, yes, you do. So this is for loading the env.local
Wow.
variables for when we do like JuzzleKit Studio. So I guess we can check for CWD in process Otherwise, we'll just wrap the whole thing. If CWD in process.
Can't you just do a string?
Oops. It's a path.
Can't you just? There's not relative one. Surely current working directory is just dot slash.
No, it'd be a resolved directory.
Surely dot slash. Can we try dot slash?
Can we try dot slash? You want me to do that?
Yeah.
No. Path module. Which I guess is that's being
different.
called inside of load-env config.
What does that mean?
That's the Node.js path module that isn't available in the Edge runtime.
Chris Long. Hello.
Christopher.
Hello.
What we need to do is not do this. When we're in the Edge runtime, we could create a new, let's just create a new file. db edge.
Do you ever get the feeling that Vercel developers are full of shit?
What do you mean?
I feel like they have a
Stream.
god complex. I feel like they have a god complex. They're calling themselves Edge, fucking living on the edge.
Edge runtime.
Look at me with the Edge runtime and my little, I don't know.
You've just destroyed all of our chances of getting this channel sponsored.
It's just
for
the
this,
vibe, isn't it?
It's
If we
called the
get
Edge
sponsored by
It's called
Vercel,
the Edge
then
runtime because it runs
I
on the
take
edge.
it all back. The edge of what?
The
Reason?
network. Edge of reason.
The edge of the network, what does that mean? What
Do you want me-
edge?
Do you want me to draw your diagram?
Yeah, please. Wireframe it. It's the edge of a network. Is it just... No, I can't. It's not.
What is
It's not
I
this?
hope you're going to apologise to
Apologise
myself
to
after this.
Mr. Vercel.
Yeah.
What is that?
Do you mean the edge as in closest to the user?
Yeah. So you got the globe, right? That's the
Mhm.
world.
Mm-hmm.
I've got like, how do we draw? It's like,
Yep, that's the UK. Giant pennant.
This stream's about to get taken down.
it's Europe,
Yep,
Spain,
yep.
Spain.
Spain?
Yeah, that's not
To the right of the UK?
That's not how Europe.
down there. Like that?
No. France is below us.
Okay.
And Spain is below France.
Yes, France is like here, isn't it?
Vaguely.
It's not to scale.
Vaguely, sure.
Anyway, imagine here you are. You're on this little bit here.
Yeah.
There's Will.
Yeah, sure.
It's
It's
William.
me on the cliffs of Dover, finding the edge. So I can jump up.
Our server's in Frankfurt. Where's
Yeah.
that? Let's just say that's over here.
No, way further right, but okay. Sure.
The edge is
Near me, in London, probably.
well. So this will go down here,
Yeah.
probably to London, and it'll probably go across some deep sea
Paris.
cable, Paris, Frankfurt.
Which makes it mad that we hosted it in Frankfurt.
Yeah. But imagine the edge would be like there's one in Manchester, right? And so
Sure.
we can just go straight to Manchester, and then Manchester can do this communication for us.
Yeah.
Because it's like where you connect to the internet, like the edge of the internet.
Sure, the edge.
This is the internet.
The edge.
There you go. See?
So remember that part
Explain.
where I said it's a god complex? Why is it the edge? Edge of what?
The internet.
Wait, it stops in Manchester.
This stream is just derailed. Yeah, the internet stops in Manchester. Many things stop there. One of them being the internet.
So our middleware lives in Manchester. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Well, no, our middleware lives everywhere because it lives across the whole edge.
Mm-hmm.
Now you know.
I still don't get it.
Still doesn't work.
Because we're still
Why?
using process.current working directory.
No, this is DNS now again.
Oh.
Hang on, I gotta close the window because there's like loads of moths coming in. I'm back. Alright, so this is being called from this.
Get did from handle ordered.
That does the DNS thing because that goes to get verified did, which calls the
did from
DNS. There's the DNS. That is there. So what's middleware importing to get there? All of these things, that's fine. DB from DB edge. Good. Oh, does the schema have... Does the schema import from there? No, only the type. That's fine. I'm just going to comment that out though. Make sure it's not that. I have no idea how to debug that as well, because it doesn't really say. Oh yeah.
So you want to find somewhere that...
Did.ts.
Did.ts.
From where? From middleware. We don't know.
Well, it must be calling something that's calling did.
In here?
Is it get session?
Oh, there it is. There it is. So it's just inside of this module. So this module needs to be split in two. That is super annoying.
This is so dumb.
Head off, lads.
See ya.
Bye!
Bye, chat.
It's annoying because we don't even use it unless you use that function. That's fine.
What do we want our middleware to actually do? Just catch when it's gone wrong, just to intercept it and say refresh the token?
When it's gone wrong?
Yeah, like what is the middleware doing here?
Refreshing the token.
Yeah, but at what point? What is the condition? I guess.
When the
Yeah,
access
what-
token's about to expire. Or it's expired.
Is it checking the database on every single thing then?
Yeah.
That feels bad.
We could put the expiry in the cookie, but that's optimization, I think.
If we put it in the cookie, then it would only have to get the expiry then, and then how do we just avoid passing the did? Why do we need to pass the did in the middleware?
We don't know. The problem is we in lib/auth we import get PDS URL and pass did.
So
We need
we
that
have
for
to split those out. Oh,
yeah.
What's
This is
normal?
in get session, which we actually do need in the
But
middleware.
Past did is fine. It's just the DNS from the.
Yeah, so we can split these things out into a different module.
Oh,
I
that's
think
so stupid.
it is annoying. Let's call this did. Let's split the handle stuff out. So everything below here, I think. Yeah. Move all of this. Oh. Huh? This doesn't work. Oh, there you go. Identity. Oh. That's the kind of issue that you'd see in Vim. Not VS
Ow.
Code.
You're wrong. I don't have a debugger in Frontpage. I need to install one actually. It's a good point.
I'm going to do it. Add all missing imports. It worked.
Nice. Cool.
Okay. So now this comes from somewhere else. Identity, right? That new module I just created.
So because this is now importing something,
Oh,
does it not have some like dependency tree where middleware? I guess you're just using the what you need, right? You don't need
yeah.
the. Yeah.
Okay. What are we saying now?
Errors are so shit. How did you solve the process.cwd thing?
Forked the file, created a new db-edge function, which just doesn't have it in.
What? How are we getting end files? Just manually did it.
Next.js will handle this for us.
Okay.
We only had that in there so we can use it in other scripts and stuff.
Are we not erroring if those tokens aren't present?
No.
No. It just full on going exclamation mark.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's wrong with these types of errors? It's exactly what you want. It tells you what to do.
Let me just find it in between the 8,000 lines of at unknown.
Oh wait, I haven't moved the stuff out that I need to. I need to move this out.
I can't say C# is much better.
Okay. Get ATProto did from DNS is not being used. Why?
Why am I seeing so many posts about libraries on Blue Sky? Is America doing something?
I don't know. Do they
Is
talk
a
about
library a
libraries?
threat to? I think so. Is a library in America a threat to capitalism?
Do not make the stream political. You're such an agent of chaos. Libraries are cool.
I do like libraries. They're good.
I don't understand what I've done wrong here. Oh, okay, I think we're good. But why isn't this being called?
Why isn't what being called?
That gets called in get verified did. Have I not moved that over? Yeah, that's the problem. Shouldn't import that. I should move it. Okay. Give me that. Get rid of that. That's okay. What now?
Jesus Christ. Has to scroll for 5 minutes just to get the bottom of the error.
This is still going.
Innes promises. Native module not found. External page.
Is it from middleware again? Yeah. Identity. We're not importing identity. We're importing libauth, which that imports identity. Oh, that PDS URL needs to go somewhere else. Let's put that in the did file.
But we're still importing that from here.
Did doc.
Uh-oh.
Put these back. Into did.
It's supposed to be some easy route of just refreshing a token.
And we're just refactoring the whole thing now.
Yeah.
That's Next.js for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Import that from there. Good. Okay. Okay.
CWD.
What?
What? I thought we got rid of that.
Oh, because
So to restart.
no, it's because auth imports from DB. Do that. Ho ho!
Thank God.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, this is fine. I didn't need to do a bunch of import updates. Now I've moved all these functions about.
Okie dokie.
How many have we got? 14? Not too bad. I feel like a AI could do this for me.
Is there no like update imports option?
If I'd have moved them
Update
about.
imports and thing.
That's what I tried to do when I said move to file and gave me that error. It's not really an easy way, I don't think. We're nearly done. We're halfway through.
If you right click the red bit. Oh,
Right. What do you mean do that?
or do the whatever the pop-up actions are. Okay then.
4 left. I could have done a find and replace for these actually. Because most of the time we're just importing this one function.
Yep.
Oh well. We're done now. What? Why is there more? Oh. Okay. Good. Waiting. 8.5 seconds.
To
Jesus.
do.
It's working. As simple as that.
Nice.
Okay, so
Ooh.
how do we test it? Put some logs in? Change this?
Yeah.
I also don't think this check is correct, is it? The time
If-
now is before.
If it expires,
Shouldn't it be
is
after?
less than. Yeah.
Yeah, after.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, you can leave it as less than if you want to test it, I guess.
I think it worked then because it. Let's have a look at the session here.
You have to update the expires that then.
Yes.
Or do we do that as part of the thing?
We could just do if true. We can change the. We do that in the here.
Okay.
Okay, so which one are we on? They've both been updated today.
Delete them both.
Okay. Deleted. I should have logged out. That's a bug there. Need to revalidate some routes. Okay, log in. Oh.
Function not implemented. What?
I remember writing
Sorry?
that.
Why have you done that?
Which one is it? This one. Ah, because I need
Click
to,
that pirate key.
some idiot has not imported it.
Oh.
We shouldn't be hitting that though, should we? Because we shouldn't have a session.
Get pirate key. If no session. Have you still got us? We don't clear the session from thing on logout.
I think
Well,
we
that's
do.
in a cookie though. The session.
The session ideas.
Yeah.
Yeah, we delete it.
Sign out. But did you get an error on sign out? I can't remember.
No, it didn't really do anything.
Huh.
Oh, that's this one. Import it. Wait, can I import from auth from here? Yes, I can. I love OAuth.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Simply my favourite thing to do. We're logged in.
We're in. We got a session.
Yes.
Very nice.
Expires at 30:34.
30:34.
If I just refresh, then is that gonna change? We expect no. Okay.
No.
And now if I change the
No.
middleware to be like true.
Yeah.
Wait, let me Okay, refresh. Definitely took longer.
Love to
Didn't-
see it.
It didn't update.
Why?
I don't know. Is it time for debugging?
Oh,
I think it's
process discovery
What's this?
response.
Fail to verify
Oh,
token.
Okay, that's something.
Do we have a cookie? We must have a cookie. There's no cookie.
So cookie.
Really? quite surprising. There is a cookie.
Oh.
This UI is just not showing it for some reason. Alg argument is required when jwk.alg. Let's extract that, shall we? To a constant.
Was Paul Frazee just given a PR on your ATProto browser?
Really?
Is he Paulsy?
Senpai's noticed me. What do they call him? Paulinho.
Oh, maybe it's not him.
What?
No,
You got my
it's
hopes
not.
up.
No, it's not.
No. Where's this? Rebel?
In your ATProto on Rebel, yeah.
Different Paul. Spot Blue Sky post URIs. I was thinking about doing this actually. I'm getting sidetracked. Why are you doing this to me?
I love doing things like that.
Just nerd sniped.
What was the problem?
Why is it doing that? I don't know if that's the problem because I'm still logged in.
Alg argument is required when is not present.
Session is returning null. So I don't know.
JWK. Session is null.
Well, it should be returning null. So I don't know why the app's still working.
Why is session returning null?
Because I'm returning null on this error.
Oh. Do you have to refresh, reload?
Perhaps.
Being cached.
Oh, I haven't put the... Do I need to put the algorithm here? Yes. Do that.
So you just said there was no session.
What? No, I'm saying I'm returning null. I'm confused why the app still works when I'm returning null.
Oh.
Let's try again. I feel like we've accomplished nothing so far. Oh.
Oh no. Oh, I guess you've got refresh token set to refresh always currently. But we don't want to be in the refresh token flow. Is that right?
We can be. I mean, it shouldn't be an error to refresh every time. Let's get rid of that.
But we know it's not working though.
Is working? No. Failed to verify token. This isn't right. So we need to put the alg on the cookie itself. So where are we? Here. We are. The alg is there.
It's in the header.
Arg is required when jwk.alg is not present.
Does JWK have alg on it?
I don't think so.
Then alg needs to be passed in as a property.
Okay, that's what I just tried to do right here. Alg argument. I don't have an alg argument though.
Failed to verify token.
We have it on the value.
So it's
Let's log the token. Decode the token. No. Yes, it is there. Token has alg.
T.alg.
Does the JWK have alg? Oh, I can't decode this, can I?
I thought it worked last time we tried it.
What, decoding it?
Yeah. If it ever worked.
Oh, I think I need to import it and stuff. I don't think that's going to help. I don't remember ever seeing this error.
Type error alg arguments required not present, but JWK alg is present.
I'm going to debug. Nope, not just look at Studio. Stop that. Stop it.
It's taking a while.
That's a lot of attaching. I think it was compiling. Step in. Nope. Step. Nope. Don't do that. Do not do that.
Love it.
This debug is really nice when it works. Then other times you have to do this. To get into the node modules and find
This is
the
nonsense.
because I don't know how to step into a specific function because the source maps seem to be all wacky. Types JWT verify. Okay. Here now.
Is there no way to get here from the method name?
No, I don't think so. Like when I go to definition, it takes me to the types.
Yeah.
And I think they need you're supposed to ship a type source map, which is supposed to link them back, but not everybody does that. So.
I see.
Okay, we're in. Must be in here. Okay.
Okay. What's payload?
We're doing things. None of this
What's
is
the payload?
error. The payload. This one?
No, the decoded past payload
This one.
doesn't have an alg on it.
No. The alg is in the headers. In here? Yeah, there you go.
Let's see.
Okay. Okay. Can I just search for that?
Nope.
It's not in this file. God damn.
Oh no.
Oh, so it is working in this call, which is what call stack is this? libauth. Okay, I think it's the middleware one which is throwing these logs.
Of course. We don't set the algorithm in it.
Where would we be doing that? Here? No, that's the default.
Where do we set the algorithm in the other one?
Well, this is the same function. Get sessions the same.
But then we like manually set the algorithm, don't we?
No.
What?
What do you mean? Manually set it?
Wait, where's the algorithm set? I thought we set it to 256 or something ourselves.
Yeah.
Or was it just done by the...
No, we do that, yeah. We do that, here.
Yes. Do we do this anywhere else? That's signing the JWT, which is saved to the database.
Cookie.
But we're not setting a header on the cookie. We're not passing the header to the cookie.
What? The cookie is the JWT, which we're setting the header on.
The cookie is the JWT that we're setting the header on.
We set the
This
header.
is the user token, right? Oh,
Yeah,
we're
this-
passing in user token. Okay, fine. Into cookies. Yeah.
Yeah, the user token just
I
has
see.
the did in, basically. That's all it has.
I see.
And then when we decode that, which is in get session, it should just work.
Token
for
cookie dot value.
Because this is the same function that we call in the middleware. So let us debug the middleware.
I'm misunderstanding the difference between header and value.
Perhaps
Is header not just
header is on
a
the
different...
headers on the JWT. Cookies only have a value; they don't have a header.
So we're setting the header, and then the value of the cookie has the user token in it.
The value of the
Well,
cookie is
It's
this
the
JWT.
JWT. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then how do you get the header from the JWT? You decode it and then
Yeah.
find the header.
Yes. Well, yeah, it should have it in, but apparently it doesn't.
Mm.
But let's see. Go in. No, don't go in there. Yeah, see, session is null. This is very annoying.
So the session doesn't exist.
Oh no, this is returning null because that's what this error does. It returns null.
Okay. Why don't we have the cookie in the browser?
I don't know. That might be related. Let's
I
see.
feel like it is.
No, it's there.
Okay.
Oh shit! I forgot to step into.
JWT verify. Why would it not be in it?
Okay.
Can we not decode the JWK ourselves? Just to double check it.
Yeah, I can get this value. Stick it in here. Without the quotes. It's there. So
Mm. What the fuck is it moaning about? And then we couldn't find where the error was in the file.
here we are. We're in. Why do we get here? This is an import JWK. Oh, it's not on verify. This is throwing.
Oh my god.
It's throwing on this one, I think. There.
JSON pass. Import JWK.
So there's no alg.
No.
So do you have to set algorithms on a JWK? I didn't know you had to do that.
That is what the error is saying. Literally.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to turn the stream off to do this. Actually, no, I'm not.
Don't want to do it on the other
Am
screen.
I? Yes. I can't. What do you mean?
Like, put it on the banner thing.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. The background.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is generate in here. There must be a way.
Didn't set the background, by the way.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll do that. Get the code working first. So how do I set an algorithm on here?
Export JW key, public key pair. Hover over export JW key.
Doesn't accept any arguments.
It's just part of the key, right? What is key pair public thing?
There's no. Oh, this is the algorithm here.
Huh.
So. Right. Why does it not have? Why does it not go on the JWK in that case?
Is it not part of it? Is this done from your OAuth for API library, whatever?
No, this is my code.
Generate key pair.
Yeah. Oh no, generate key pairs from Jose.
Oh, Jose.
Yeah, it doesn't put the algorithm on. The other thing it says though, right, is alg argument. So I should be able to pass an alg argument if that's the case.
Yeah.
Where would I pass that? To
Where was
import?
it erroring?
Here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
so
ouch, strange.
I do want to put it here. What was it? What was my constant called?
Some convoluted underscore one.
User session JWT.
yeah.
Whoa.
DMCA.
Oh my god, it's so hot in here.
Yeah, it's very warm. It's like 92% humidity today.
I'm debating putting the air conditioning on, but I don't know if that will
Do it.
ruin the audio
Do it.
on the stream.
Do it.
Oh.
I'm
When it
sure
turn-
our 3 watches, 2 of them probably being us, is not gonna
When it turns on as well, it does this horrendous clunk.
Oh, no.
Okay, do that. Restart.
Very close.
Now we're here. Now we're
Not
at an
really.
error. When I pass that, I get an error in the app and not the middleware.
Nice.
No, not nice.
Nice.
We're cooking.
Where is it from?
We're cooking.
Why are
Oh,
we getting it in
I know what it
there?
is. I know what it is, Will.
Import JWK. It's
There's
gonna
another.
be the
There's another import JWK
love repeated code.
for the private.
I see.
Perhaps. Perhaps not.
different error.
Non-extractable crypto key cannot be exported. Hmm.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where is that coming from? Uncaught exceptions.
I think it was where you just were.
it's impossible to use that. This is the worst stat trace of all time.
I thought you were at where Erin.
I don't know if I am. I don't know if it is here or not.
Import key. What does crypto subtle import key do?
It imports the key. It generates a key, I think.
Okay, we haven't changed anything though, have we? Like,
Well, the only thing I changed was put the algorithm on the import JWK.
that is a key object though. Is that gonna screw it up? You have to do alg that,
Maybe.
like property name it.
The only thing we export are these two JWKs.
Yeah.
So these must not be
But
extractable.
you're JSON parsing it, like the process env public JWK,
Mm-hmm.
but then that's just going to be JSON as a key object pair thing, right? But then the algorithm isn't a key object pair.
I don't understand what you mean by that.
Like you pass JSON, so you get an object back, right?
Yeah, that gives me a JSON web key object,
And
which I pass in.
I am looking at line 38
Okay.
where you're importing key object, the type key
Yes.
object, right? But alg isn't a key object, is it?
Oh, this doesn't. This is just TypeScript. I don't even need that, I don't think.
Wonderful.
But
alg string.
when I import it, why can't I set it as extractable?
Do you not have to do alg colon and then user session, or is it already named alg?
Can I do
Or is it-
crypto.salt import key? No. It's already named alg.
Okay.
Oh my god, why is this so hard?
I've lost track of what's going on.
So that, like, if I get rid of these, right?
Yeah, then you get
This-
the alg.
This works in the Node.js runtime, in the
Yeah.
app, but not in the middleware. And I get the alg error in the middleware.
Yep.
So if I just let me just copy these in, and we can see. Put those in there. Oh, I can't use these though because they're being called inside the session.
Oh.
I think there's a way we can use the crypto subtle API.
Time to ask Copilot.
I think so. But I think we just import. Can I ask Google? Crypto subtle import JWK.
He's been there before.
I have. Oh, we just passed the format as JSON WebKey. Okay, cool.
Oh. Wait, we're already doing this, aren't we?
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Somewhere else, yeah. Crypto subtle generate no. Do use import key. Yeah. We're currently using Jose and the subtle crypto API. So I reckon we just want to switch to this crypto subtle API instead.
Rid of Jose.
JSON dot yeah. What on earth? Okay. Okay. Do we want to have a? Want to be able to verify too? Do we want to be able to do anything else? Probably not. It's weird that that doesn't. This check wasn't working either because D is never in JWK. I need to check that it's not on the JSON. Oh my god.
This is so dumb.
Okay. Okay. What now?
X.
That is potentially because I need to generate the key pair with subtle crypto.
Yeah.
Using this. So, how do I do that?
Time to get rid of Jose. That's pretty much just what you were doing.
Key pair, key equals wait, subtle crypto dot subtle dot generate key. Yes, exactly. Oh, that gives me a key pair. It's ideal.
Nice.
What is a key pair? It's lovely. Public key, private key, and then let's try it.
Why?
I need to export them as JWK because they're a crypto key right now.
Crypto key.
So I need to do.
Are they not JSON stringified? Can you not JSON stringify them?
No, because they're like an internal key representation. So I need to do like this thing, export JWK, but with private key, public key, promise dot all key pair dot private key dot map key. Yeah. Hey.
Nice.
Okay. I will mute the stream for a moment. Where is it in here?
Like how you generated it in a console and then
Well, this is
generated a new keeper.
this is the thing that I don't want to leak
Sure.
the database credentials, but okay, I'll generate them again. It's only my local JWTs that have been signed here, so. Okay. Jose, you're dead to me, mate.
The chat is begging to be shown. What's going on?
They're begging.
Begging.
Welcome back, everybody. Okay. Good. What are we saying now then? What is the errors saying? Oh, there's a 200 get at the end there. That's good.
Everyone's switching to Jetstream.
No, what's wrong with drain pipe? Why is nobody forking drain pipe?
Because you put it in the middle of a mono repo.
It's in Rust. It's better.
We should have split it out and made it configurable.
Yeah, we should have written production grade software. I agree.
Yep. Unspotted key usage. What does it mean? What's an extra key?
Sign verify. Where is this coming from? Snack trace is so rubbish. Layout.
What can you do? You have to change the type, or does it have to be X?
I think it. Well, that's the one that we're using. So. Well, there is a thing that I saw where we do export. Maybe it needs to be. Maybe that's a thing that we can do.
X.
No, that's this flag, I think, which is extractable.
How do you know what is supported with the algorithm?
It's not the algorithm. It's the well, I don't think it's the algorithm. I think it's what you say that it's should be useful. So we've got sign and verify.
One port key. I see.
I think so.
Are you saying that we need something else?
Maybe.
Let's have a look.
We no longer need to do this.
Key usages. Encrypt and decrypt, maybe?
It could be this
Derive.
as well.
There's encrypt, decrypt, sign, verify, derive key, derive bits, wrap key, unwrap key.
It's actually working. Just not in the middleware, I think.
Why don't we add all of the available ones and then take them away until it doesn't work?
Binary search over there. Oh, let me just see if it's in here. If it's in the middleware. No.
Can't you please just put this as a variable and use the variable?
Oh, I don't want to.
You're going to have to do this for every single one. Sign, verify.
I don't know if this is even the way to do it.
Well, we'll figure it out. Sign, verify.
Oh, unwrap key. I think that's what we need. We need the ability to unwrap it.
The key may be used to unwrap a key. What does that mean?
No, it wasn't that.
Takes it as an input key that has been exported and then encrypted. It decrypts the key and then imports it, returning a crypto key object that can be used in the Web Crypto API.
I would love for it to tell us like what the unsupported usage is.
That's why you have to add all of them. Chuck them all in. Encrypt, decrypt.
Is there a way to just copy and paste these from... Yep, here we go.
Yeah.
Gimme. Whoa.
Nice. He's done it.
Still invalid.
No overload matches is cool.
That's fine.
What does that mean?
Solved.
Oh,
TypeScript.
okay.
Do we do this somewhere else? Maybe it's this one.
Yep. Get client private key.
Is that fine?
Noise.
Wait.
200.
good?
We take it.
Yeah, but it's still giving the error, I think.
Oh.
Oh no, same error.
Well, we got all of the usages.
Or do
Is there
we?
another place that doesn't have it?
No.
What about in the rest of the thing? This is the only place we have.
Oh, here we go.
God fucking damn it.
Might have to call it a night soon because it's just making my brain hurt.
Yep. It's working.
Wait for it.
No, I believe in it. Come on. We have all of the usages.
This syntax error is just...
Unless.
Where is it? Where are you coming from? Unless what?
Unless we missed one.
Unless... No. Perhaps...
That's all of the things. Different file. Oh, we're still using Jose and not Crypto Subtle.
That could be a problem, couldn't it?
Could be. Delete the Jose imports. See what errors.
Loads
Oh,
of
so many
things.
So many things.
I don't know how to calculate a thumbprint outside of Jose either.
Calculate thumbprint. What does the thumbprint do?
I think it just creates a hash of the token, to be fair, so we could do that ourselves.
Is that what wrap key does?
No, I don't think so. I think it exports it and just creates a hash of the JSON. Let's go back to the drawing board.
I love hearing that.
Let's go back to where we were before, which is Jose. Because this was working.
Was it? Didn't have an alg.
Didn't have an alg. So why don't we just give it an alg?
That's what we tried.
Which is, we're here, right?
Yep. You changed the middleware.
What on earth's going on there?
Done.
Is this because...
Signature verification.
Because
JWS signature verification.
I've switched between crypto and non-crypto, and that's a bit confused, perhaps. Let me delete my cookie
Yeah.
if I have one. I would love if this
Course not.
worked.
Do you have a different browser?
Okay, we're good. I think we're good. Yeah.
Okay. Working. Done. Got an algorithm.
Login.
What if it's worked all along?
No. Not implemented.
Oh,
Sorry?
you went back too far. He's gone back too far.
No. This is a error in
What
the
error? In
when we try
result.
to refresh the token.
Middleware.ts.
Where is that?
Oh, so we've got past the alg error.
Perhaps.
You fuck, it was just caching all along. You
I
absolute
don't believe
twat.
it. I don't believe it. Do not believe it. Use depop nonce.
Okay,
What?
that's fine.
Why? No,
That's
it's
fine.
not fine.
That's fine. We don't have the depop lots.
Could have been a thing where we tried to refresh it instantly and things got fucked up. What is going on here?
Oh my god. Envin would never
Delete those.
delete the sessions. Go through the proper flow.
Okay.
Start from scratch.
$20 files changed. It's insane.
And yet nothing has changed.
We've actually made it worse. Okay.
Oh, we're in.
Okay, we're good. Okay, so there is a bug that, well, there's something weird there where you can't refresh. That's really weird.
Is that a bug?
I don't think it is a bug. I think
No, because we weren't logged in and I don't think we had the session. Because we delete the session when we log out.
But that we'd have got here, not down here. Oh well. I ignore. I ignore. Okay, so I'll change this.
Refresh. Yeah.
Change this to true.
So now we have a session.
It's working.
We didn't check the drizzle time.
Expires at 22/14/44. Oh my god, it was caching all along. Lord. Ship it. Merge the PR.
That's so off done. What else?
Oh, I
doing?
can't believe it. Errors.
How can we handle errors if we can't handle errors ourselves? Login error UI. Use different key for signing auth cookie. What's that for?
That is for we use the JWK for par requests and for signing the auth cookie. We probably don't even need to sign an auth cookie. We could probably just put the. No, we couldn't do that because somebody could just impersonate the did.
We also have to check the did thing. Forgot about that.
Yeah, let me push this up and then we can. Let's just call it a day now.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Goodbye. See you next time.